Duffel bag, backseat.
This strategy is for helping kids manage haircuts and what you can do to make the experience more smooth and successful. Now, a little deep pressure trick that you might want to try on your way to the hairdressers or while you're sitting and waiting is to use a weighted hat. A weighted hat provides deep pressure to the head region. It is a wonderful tool. They look completely typical, and they allow your child to get some deep pressure prior to the haircut. So if you have a child who doesn't like the massage piece or the deep pressure that you could do, which is mentioned in another playlist, remember this is just one video strategy in a large haircut playlist, you could try the weighted hat. I will put a direct link on otkidsmass.com so that you can take a look at this product and its reviews. It can be very helpful. And the great thing about the weighted hat is that beyond the haircut, wearing this to places or spaces that cause some anxiety for your child or cause discomfort can also be wonderfully self-regulating. So if you haven't tried the weighted hat, give it a try. It's a really neat strategy and it's a very well-priced item. So take a look at it on otkidsmass.com.
You're a driver, slow down.